Hi guys, welcome back. I have another 9's trick for you today, and this one is a lot like the 9's trick I taught you the other day, where if you put your fingers in front of you, you can count from the left, put the down finger, and you count the fingers to the left, count the fingers to the right to figure out the answer to the 9's trick. Well, this one doesn't require fingers, which makes it kind of nice. This one you can just do in your head. Now, the first problem we're going to do together is 9 times 4. What you have to ask yourself when you're looking at this, everything's backwards. 9 times 4, what's 1 less than 4? 3, right? So I'm going to put the 3 here. And then 3 plus what gives me 9? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. The answer to 9 times 4 is 36. Let's do two more. We'll do 9 times 6 next. What's 1 less than 6? 5, right? And then 5 plus what number gives you 9? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. The answer to 9 times 6 is 54. Let's try one more together. 9 times 8. What's 1 less number than 8? Just 7. 7 plus what gives you 9? 8, 9. 7 plus 2. 72. So you just have to remember that when you do 9 times any other number, but they have to be under 10. When you get bigger than that, it gets a little more complicated. If it's 9 times 5, what's 1 less than 5? 4. 4 plus what number gives you 9? 4 plus 5. So the answer is 45. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.